You want something that's gonna stand out?
Well, what do you got?
Holy sh**. Wow. All right, well, let's vote.
Every classic has a past, but this one is being built for the future. Welcome to Corky's Classics, Project CudaCat, where a small team takes on a monster mission to restomod a 1970 Cuda for SEMA 2027. In this episode, the CudaCat team finally makes their first major creative decision. But before the concept can be approved, Rob and Corky have to bring everyone up to speed on where the body really stands.
Today, we finally picked the concept. Once we choose this concept, absolutely no going back. The bridge has been burned behind us. We're rocking and rolling straight ahead.
This is a huge moment. This is whenever the car finally becomes something real.
You know, we keep talking about design and what we want, but we need to talk about how much has already been done, the hundreds of hours of body work and metal work that's already done.
Rocket Rob sees everything. Every hole, every weak point, every place that needs to be dealt with to get it perfect.
From the beginning, when I started on this car, when I come to work on it, it was pretty much a complete car.
He said, well, he put the testers on it to check. He says, we got some problems with rust on the quarters.
There was a 440 in it. I had to pull that motor out. There was, the body had to come all apart, every nut and bolt disassembled, pull the whole interior out, dash, wiring harnesses, everything.
We took it to be dipped. You don't want to sandblast it because it can warp panel. Basically, we stripped it down. They put it into a chemical bath. It takes everything off of it. Rubber, paint, everything.
To see what we have to work with.
I need to have it stripped down. I said, where do we send that to? I got someone in North Carolina who has a chem dip up there that we need to go take it up. We hauled it up there. North Carolina, I mean rural North Carolina. When we pulled in, it was sketchy. A big guy came up. He was about 6'4" and weighed about, I'm gonna say 320, 330, but he wasn't fat. And he handled everything.
My name's Big John.
And went into this building that had all these chemicals in it that you dip it into the chemicals, let it do there, and then there was another chemical bath that neutralized everything.
You want to dip this Cuda?
Okay. Can we watch?
From afar you can.
How long will it take? Oh.
Just a few minutes.
Okay. And the chemicals are bubbling, like this looked like something out of, a witch's brew, or, I don't even know what it was, the chemical was. All I know is it worked. You blink and it was done. It was, am I right, Rob? That fast. Yeah. It was that fast. Why sandblast something when you can skin it like that? Went into the office, which wasn't much of an office. It was more like a trailer park, place. And he said, that'll be $2,000, please. Benji Franklin's. And he put it in an envelope and opened up a drawer and down a chute it went. Thank you very much, bye-bye. And we loaded up the Cuda. They put it right back onto the flatbed and we headed home. If you wanted to make someone disappear, go there. I don't know if they give you a price for that or not. They probably charge for that too, but a lot more than $2,000.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
With a better understanding of the current status of the body, the team decides to get out of the shop.
Car is so sexy.
Oh, thank you.
I love it. This is yours?
Yes.
It's amazing.
The CudaCat team sits down for dinner, reveal the designs, and choose the official direction for the CudaCat build.
Guys, thanks for joining for dinner. This is my crew. We're all in black today.
Well, thank you for having me.
I'm the godfather, sometimes called Cat Daddy. I'm gonna challenge you guys. We'll have a conversation about it. When this is over, we need to make a vote and have a direction we're going. Everybody good with that?
Sounds good to me.
Rob?
Yeah.
What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna step up. Obviously we got 3 posters here now. I'm very curious to see what you all came up with. Rob, I know yours has gotta be more technical as far as what you would do with the car. I'm pretty stubborn about my colors. I know what I want as far as a type of car. And Kat, you're the wild card. I don't know what you're doing. You could be anything.
Pretty much. So I know these guys think they have this concept in hand, but this is what I do.
While you guys are eating, I'm gonna step up and throw the ball up against the wall. So, my favorite color is orange, and we all know that my favorite vehicle is a 70 Cuda.
Surprise, surprise. Really?
Is this gonna be a Halloween reveal? Pumpkin?
Pumpkin. I'll pumpkin you in a heartbeat if you're not careful.
So Corky's design, it's okay for cars and coffee.
Look, orange is my favorite color. You know, we got the Hemi, not the Hemi, we got a 70 Cuda. But the point is, this is my idea to take this, the iconic 1970 Hemi Cuda and convert it into a modern type Cuda. It's my dream.
Doesn't look modern.
I know it doesn't look modern, but I don't have the economic size here to make the decision on how to change this. All I'm saying is orange is my color. It's got to be a 70 Cuda, which we have, and it needs to be modern looking. Well, I want the design to be wild, and I want it to be my Cuda, but this is a collaboration. I want Rob, I want Kat, I want AD to believe that it's their Cuda also. It's a family deal.
Well, I'll give you an A for effort. Orange? Okay, I like orange. But boring.
You want something that's gonna stand out.
Well, what do you got?
Oh boy, here we go.
We ought to keep true to the heritage of the car.
So here's my problem. They're both, okay, it's classic 70s Cuda, blue, orange, I get it. I thought we were going for something different, more modern.
We have to pick a concept that works with the car, the money, the timeline, the budget, how it's all gonna play out, and of course, you know, make sure we meet the timeline is the most important thing, and we all have to agree on it.
I think we ought to do the B5 blue. Get rid of the drip rails and widen the mini tubs in it, widen it out, put a little...
Why do you want the drip rails off?
Just to make it smooth, make the roof line smooth.
The license plate's one more.
I think it says
And then
boring.
get more wider tires under the back of it put a 6.2 Hellcat in it.
With my design, this is gonna make her have attitude before she even starts. Listen, these two, they're nice, they're classic, I get it. But you asked for something different, more modern, bring it up to date. This is what I got.
Holy sh! Wow. I was more traditional, probably too traditional in design, I thought. And when Kat revealed her design, my initial response was, whoa, wait a minute.
It's bold, it's gonna take a lot of work, but it's definitely bold.
So this is more modern, more muscle, okay. I'm going for sinister elegance. Not only can you drive her to the Royal Ball, but you can leave there and take it to the freaking Headbangers Ball.
Wow. Yeah, I love the design. It doesn't lose the Cuda mystique, and I really believe it's a foundation for an amazing project to present at SEMA.
I'm looking at these designs and just trying to get my head wrapped around on how much metal work has to be done.
Well, to be honest, that's awesome.
Thank you.
It is. All right, well, let's vote. I don't think there's really need a vote, but let's vote. Who votes for the number 3?
I'll vote for yours.
No,
just
forget
because.
I vote number
because.
3. I vote number 3. It's unbelievable.
So no pumpkin vote.
No pumpkin vote.
No blueberry?
No blueberry vote. No. It shows how much vision we have, which isn't much.
That means the woman's right?
It means the woman is right. You won't see this anywhere else.
Oh no.
I'm really excited now, really.
Me too. I think that's
All right, let's get it going, guys. Let's get it. Yeah, we've got the concept, but it's gonna cost me freaking big bucks to get this done. We gotta decide on a chassis and engine like yesterday, because that's gonna drive everything, and that's what takes the longest time to get delivery so we can start putting this thing together.
We need a chassis decision. That's the next thing that needs to be figured out, because we're just guessing at this point if we don't have that.